How are you engaging with companies? Like you said, companies came to find you. Obviously, they're hearing about you. Is there outreach? Like if people are looking for employees, how do they?
You're going to think I'm kowtowing a little bit here, and I might be just a little bit. You had come to do the keynote you were the keynote speaker for the last SMA meeting, and you said something, and I was paying attention, and you said something about doing TikTok videos. So I started with our staff doing some funny TikTok videos, and people started kind of catching on. And then what's happening is that the employees are coming into the employer. So that's kind of neat. That's new. We raised our social media presence. There was no social media presence, so we raised that. We certainly.
That's what we talk about, right? Go where the people are.
Go where they are.
That's what I said.
I know that you talked about Facebook not being where a lot of the young people were, and that's what the catalyst for the TikTok video. But there's still a lot of people who do manufacturing that are on Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn, and we were using those platforms to say, hey, we got a new director in town, we're making changes. I mean, silly things like taking pictures of a clean shop or a painted wall or a new installation of, a piece of educational equipment, and just sharing it with the world that, we're making meaningful change here, and we're doing it for people to come and, to be taught and engaged and, sent out into the workforce.